Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix delayed notifications on Realme in 2026. For that, the first thing that you can do is head over to your quick settings and then toggle off battery saver on your device. The other thing that you can do is head over to settings on your device. Once you're inside settings, you can scroll down and then hit battery. Once you're inside battery, simply tap on battery users by app, and then what you'll have to do is scroll down and then tap on the app that is sending you slow notifications. Once you've done that, you'll have to toggle on allow background activity for that particular app. Do remember that this will consume more battery, but this will also send you notifications quicker. The other thing that you must do is ensure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or an internet connection. However, if the issue still persists, what you can try and do is head over to settings on your device, and then you can head over to apps, tap on app management, tap on the app that is sending you notifications late, head over to storage users, clear the cache of that particular app, and you can also try uninstalling and reinstalling the app. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.